See Kids Learn in Trees.
Hello children, let's find the animals. Listen for their sounds. What's that? Who's squeaking? Mouse. Hello mouse. Mouse. Now what's that? Iguana. Iguana. What's that trumpet? It's elephant. Elephant. What's that roar? Lioness. Lioness. There's a moo. Who could it be? It's cow. Well done. Cow. What's that? It's sheep. Sheep. Ooh, what's that growl? Who could it be? Tiger. Tiger. Who goes neigh neigh? I know that one. Horse. Horse. What's that? I know this sound. Rabbit. Hello, rabbit. Rabbit. Who's that creature? What is it? Brachiosaurus. Brachiosaurus. I know who that is. It's Cricket. You can't stand still, Cricket. Cricket. Oh no, what's that growl? Who could it be? White tiger. White tiger. I know that sound. Do you know? It's goose. Who's that? Where are you? Oh, squirrel. Hello, squirrel. Squirrel. What's that buzzing? Oh, it's bee. Bee. I know that. Cluck, cluck, cluck. It's chicken. Chicken. A cock-a-doodle-doo? I know who you are. Rooster. Rooster. There are no sounds. It's just the sea. I know, we must be under the sea. Who is it? It's whale shark. Whale shark. Who is it? Barracuda fish. Barracuda fish. Who's next? Tropical fish. Tropical fish. Who else can we find? Hammerhead shark. Hammerhead shark. Now let's see if you remember their names. Whale shark, tiger, bee, barracuda fish, squirrel, hammerhead shark, rabbit, elephant, rooster, chicken, tropical fish, iguana, brachiosaurus, horse, mouse, cricket, cow, white tiger, goose, sheep, lioness. Well done! You did an amazing job. See you next time! Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and make sure you watch all of our new videos.
ABC Kids Learning Tree.